Okay, alright, I finished it off. I've done his swing arm stickers. I chucked that one on there, the motoxart.com, for just over his chain guard. And you can see it's not too bad. There's the fork legs we did. So not bad. Chrissy present for a 7-year-old. I never got a mini bike until I was 15 years old. Only one thing left to do is wrap it up. And as you can see, the ever reliable bottle of Windex. Anyway, enjoy. Hope that helps you putting on your sticker kit. It's a hell of a lot easier than trying to stick it and peel it off.